Ano ang batas kay Mark na nag-govern o cover ito pong falsification of documents?
The revised penal code as amended. So, nakalagay po sa revised penal code, Article 171 and 72 of the revised penal code, nandun po ang tinatawag na falsification. Ang falsification, maraming klaseng falsification, MJ. Falsification of a public document, falsification of a commercial document, falsification of a private documents. And dalawang klase ang falsification na gumagawa. Falsification by public officers and falsification by private individuals. So, daming klase ang falsifications.
Sige, isa-isahin natin kayo, Mark. Sana yung tanong ko rin. Kasi marami natin nababasa na balita na itong si Politico A ay guilty sa kasong falsification of public documents.
No. Ang falsification of a public documents, dalawa ang pwede maging liable. Falsification by public officers, meaning sila mismo ang nag-falsify ng mga dokumento. For example, registry of deeds ka, tapos pinapalsify mo ang titulo. Hindi naman totoo yan kasi binigyan ka ng pera, nag-issue ka ng titulo. Or notary public ka, sinabi mo doon na subscribe and sworn to before me, naka-notarize, tapos you subscribe and sworn to before me, patay na pala 10 years ago. Then, pinirmahan mo, dinotarize mo ang deed of sale, pero ang nagbenta, patay na 10 years ago. That's falsification. Because you are a public officer. You are an officer of the court. And you are a notary public, so falsification of a public document. Yun yan. Pero mga falsification of a private document, for example, diploma. Private document yan. Pwede rin commercial document, mga bank documents. Falsification of commercial documents. So, mga bank certificate, mga letters na mga kinokopya yung perma mo. So that is falsification of a private or commercial documents.
Sa degree of penalty, mas mabigat yung falsification of public document?
Falsification of a public document by public officers.
By public officers.
Basta public officer ang nag-falsify, mas mabigat ang penalty kaysa private officer ang nag-falsify. Private individual ang nag-falsify.
Yan, warning yan sa ating mga nasa gobyerno. Kayo, Mark.
Kasi public office is public trust. If you are a public officer, you are at all times accountable to the people, and there is a presumption that you are honest if you are in the government. Presumption. I don't know if totoo yan, but if you are in the government, there is a presumption that you are honest. There's a presumption that you acted in good faith.